Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a custom domain to Google AI Studio. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first step is to open up aistudio.google.com, sign into your account. Then from here, we want to go ahead and click onto your apps. Now, inside of your apps, click on the one that you like that the custom domain to. So this is the Smart Weight Loss app. So if I click into it like so, you're going to see your app and your code assistant on the left. Now, what we first need to do is publish the app. So I'm going to go ahead and click on publish and then click onto GitHub. Now, it might say to sign in or create an account. Go ahead and do that. Then once you've done that, it'll say sync to GitHub. So this is it here, weight loss tracker on main. So I'm going to click onto that. Now, this is going to sync it to GitHub, and you can see this is now inside of my GitHub. Now, the next thing we need to do is open up Vercel. So go to vercel.com and either create an account if you're new, or we can sign into your account. Then from here, we will need to go ahead and click on add a new project and then click onto project. Now you need to sync Vercel to GitHub. So as you can see, I've already done this. It might say login or sign up. Go ahead and log into your GitHub account. Then once you do, you're going to see all your projects inside of your Git repository, like you can see on mine. Now it's automatically going to detect that project. But go ahead and click on import on that project. So I'm going to go ahead and click on import. Then from here, just leave these changes as they are and click onto deploy. So basically this is going to start deploying your project. Now, depending on how large your project is, it might take a couple of minutes, up to 10 to 15 minutes. This is a very simple application I created just for tutorials, so it should take any more than probably 2 minutes. Well, there we go. When I stopped talking, it's going to go ahead and finish. Then from here, it's going to say, congratulations, you have just deployed a new project to Tutorial Wizards projects. Now, below that, it says next step. So this is where we can go ahead and add that custom domain. So go ahead and click on add custom domain to your project. Now it's going to come here inside of domains from inside of Vercel. Now, once we're inside of here, where it says domains, to the far right of that, click on add existing. Now it says here add a domain to connect it to a project. After being connected, the domain will be aliased to the most recent deployment in that environment. So now from here, go ahead and put in your domain name. So you can get that from GoDaddy or wherever your domain is hosted. All right, so for this example, this is my domain name, weightlosstracker.ai. And then we want to go ahead and click on to save. Now, once we've done that, it's going to come back to here, domains, and it's going to have some issues, but that's okay. We can go ahead and edit. Now, in the first window, I want to click on it to expand it. Now, go to your hosting or GoDaddy DNS name server. And then once you're inside there, look for your DNS name servers and click and look for manage DNS records. And now we need to find type A. And then you should see A name, and then copy your value and then paste that in and then click onto add record. And then do the following for the type C name. So go ahead and copy this value and then paste that inside of your, and then add that record as well. And then once you do that, that's going to add that custom domain to Google AI Studio.